I'm super excited to share with you how PVC wall panels can completely revamp your bedroom's look and feel. These panels are incredibly versatile and come in a wide range of designs, from sleek and modern to warm and rustic. Whether you're going for a minimalist vibe or a bold statement, PVC wall panels can help you achieve it. Designing a bedroom can be overwhelming, especially when you're on a budget. I mean, who isn't, right? We've all been there, scrolling through design websites, flipping through magazines, and feeling like we just can't seem to get it right. And then there's the issue of durability. We want our bedrooms to look great, but we also want them to withstand the test of time. That's where PVC wall panels come in. They're not only stylish, but also easy to maintain and long-lasting. One of the biggest challenges people face when designing their bedrooms is finding materials that are both beautiful and functional. We want our bedrooms to be a sanctuary, a place where we can relax and unwind, but sometimes it feels like we're sacrificing style for practicality. PVC wall panels solve this problem perfectly. They're resistant to moisture, easy to clean, and can withstand scratches and dents. Another challenge is finding materials that fit our personal style. We all have different tastes and preferences when it comes to design. Some of us love bold colors and patterns, while others prefer more subtle tones. PVC wall panels come in a wide range of designs, so you're bound to find something that fits your unique style. Plus, they're easy to install, which means you can get creative and try out different looks without breaking the bank. From modern and sleek to traditional and ornate, PVC wall panels can help you achieve any style you're going for. They can add texture, depth, and visual interest to your bedroom walls. And the best part? They're incredibly easy to install and maintain. You can say goodbye to boring, plain walls and hello to a bedroom that's truly one of a kind. Let's take a look at a stunning before and after transformation of a bedroom using PVC wall panels. This bedroom was once a dull and uninspiring space, but with the addition of PVC wall panels, it's been completely transformed. The panels add a pop of color and texture to the room, making it feel more vibrant and alive. It's amazing how such a simple change can make such a big impact. The transformation is nothing short of dramatic. The PVC wall panels have completely changed the look and feel of the room, making it feel more luxurious and sophisticated. It's clear that PVC wall panels are a game changer when it comes to bedroom design. The best part about this transformation is that it's not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. The PVC wall panels are easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical choice for busy homeowners. By using PVC wall panels, you can create a bedroom that's not only beautiful, but also functional and durable. Whether you're looking to completely revamp your bedroom or just give it a little facelift, PVC wall panels are definitely worth considering. So, which design is your favorite? Have you used PVC wall panels in your own home? I'd love to hear about it. Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more design inspiration, be sure to check out my next video. I'll be sharing more amazing transformations and design ideas. Thanks for watching.